Oh, hello there. We didn't see you there. They call me Bill, Badger Bill. I've been fishing in these parts for about 22 years now. I've seen loads of fish. A man died over there, got ganged by a load of badgers. They call it Curse of the Badgers. Moreover, he went under there, under this bridge, this very bridge here, and skimming down that river before he died. Fucking badger. I got this new app from JJJJB, the Poo Counting Tuppence I did. People say it looks like the man you find on a dead man. Well, I don't think so. Hang on, what's this? It's a big one. It's big one. Breaking free. I'm gonna have to get it. I found the bastard. No! Don't worry about it, I got him. I got the cunt. That was a tough one. I've been fishing here for 25 years. Thank you very much. I think I'll go home and cook this. Me and Rover used to eat fish together. We've got the cook. Oi, get your own fish! Cooking this one.